Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car seat is probably one of the most essential accessories for any reborn baby doll owner looking to enhance their play experience. These car seats not only add a layer of realism to playtime but also offer a fun way to transport your cherished dolls. Join me as we delve into the world of reborn baby doll car seats, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a must-have for any collector or caregiver. Number 5. Joovy Toy Car Seat, crash-tested, easy clean. This toy car seat functions just like a real one, teaching the importance of car seat safety through play. It helps children understand the importance of safety and makes the strap-in process fun. The 5-point harness keeps any passenger secure during the ride, whether it's a teddy bear or a baby doll. This feature ensures that the toy stays safely in place. This baby doll car seat is crash-tested and attaches with a latch system. This design helps prevent any potential risks in case of an accident, making playtime safer. The machine-washable cover makes cleaning easy. Keeping this car seat looking new is simple and convenient for parents. Joovy believes in happy, healthy families. This toy car seat is designed to give children a realistic and fun experience that is also educational. What we like. This car seat features a crash-tested latch system, ensuring safety during playtime. The machine-washable cover makes cleaning a breeze, perfect for busy parents. If you are looking for a toy that mimics real-life safety features and promotes responsible play, this is the one. What people say. The car seat is the perfect size for the reborn dolls. The car seat is very sturdy and well-made. The car seat is easy to put together. Number 4. Bebamour Design Easy Go Car Seat for Neo Vario Pram. This is the Bebamour Design Easy Go Car Seat. It's designed for dolls up to 18 inches. It's a great accessory for your child's doll. The integrated sunshade protects the doll or plush toy from the sun. It's a thoughtful feature to keep the doll safe and comfortable. It also features an integrated seat belt. This ensures the doll stays securely in place during playtime adventures. The ergonomic handle makes it easy for children to carry. It's designed to be comfortable for little hands. This car seat is compatible with the 61766AB travel bed. It's a versatile accessory that enhances the doll play experience. What we like. This car seat comes with an integrated sunshade to protect the doll. It also has an integrated seat belt for added security. If you want a simple and practical design with essential features, this is a great choice. What people say. Quality is good. She takes it everywhere and 6 months later it is still holding up. My daughter loves strapping her dolls inside and taking them in the car with us. Also, the cover comes off easily to wash. What a realistic look car seat for doll. My daughter loves it. Number 3. Adora 20-inch baby doll car seat carrier. This car seat carrier is perfect for little parents on the go. It fits most baby dolls up to 20 inches, making it easy to carry and ready for any adventure. The sturdy rotating handle doubles as a stand. It's designed with thoughtful details to turn pretend moments into lasting memories. Every Adora accessory is made with heart. You can trust the quality and design of this car seat carrier. The removable seat cover is 100% machine washable. Simply toss it in the machine for easy cleaning after playtime. It features a soft gray and white cloud print with glittery star accents. The design pairs perfectly with any doll wardrobe or sleepy time theme. This car seat carrier inspires care, creativity, and emotional growth. It's a fun and functional way to encourage roleplay for ages 2 and up. What we like. This car seat has a rotating handle that doubles as a stand, making it easy to carry and play with. The machine-washable cover ensures easy cleaning. If you are looking for a car seat with a unique design and practical features, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Fits my granddaughter's dolls good. You can even remove the seat cover for easy cleanup. Excellent, my daughter loved it. Reborn's fit perfect, easy to use. Number 2. Adora 20 baby doll car seat carrier. This doll car seat is perfect for little parents. It's designed with a sturdy handle and soft interior, making it easy to carry. It's ideal for everyday play adventures. Adora accessories are made with heart. Every detail is crafted to spark imagination. It turns pretend moments into lasting memories. The removable seat cover is 100% machine washable. It's simple to clean after play. Just toss it in, and it's ready for more fun. This carrier fits Adora dolls and most baby dolls up to 20 inches. It has adjustable safety straps to keep their favorite dolls snug and secure. With soft pinks, subtle blue and white stripes, and sweet heart accents, this carrier is charming. It's a fun addition to any toddler's pretend play collection. What we like. This car seat is designed with a sturdy handle for easy carrying. The machine washable cover makes it easy to clean. If you like a classic design with practical features and a focus on nurturing play, this is a great option. What people say. The weight is great, the fit is great, the build quality is great, it is cute and it is foldability. This carrier was the perfect size for my granddaughter's baby doll. It is lightweight and everything about it is easy to use. These aren't the cheap material. They are more durable for play. Number 1. Bebamour Doll Carrier, Green Flower. This doll carrier is designed for kids who love to play pretend. It's perfect for dolls under 20 inches. It allows them to be like mom or dad. Choose from 6 cute patterns, including pink fox, gray sheep, and more. The unique designs make it special. The padded straps provide great comfort and can be worn on the front or back. All straps are adjustable to fit different ages, ensuring a perfect fit. This carrier encourages pretend play, which boosts creativity and improves memory. It also helps with language and perspective-taking skills. It's a great gift for any occasion. The adjustable design means it will fit kids of different ages and can be used for years. Remember, it's a toy and should not be used for real babies. What we like. This carrier has adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. It encourages pretend play, stimulating creativity and memory. If you are looking for a carrier that promotes imaginative play and is suitable for various ages, this is a great choice. What people say. The car seat is the perfect size for the Reborn dolls. It is very well made and the perfect size for the dolls. The car seat is very sturdy and well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.